The Bubble Tent, the Big Bubble House, is your spacious sanctuary that comfortably fits 4 to 7 adults. This 12-foot garden igloo dome tent offers ample room to furnish with your favorite pieces, making it feel like a cozy home away from home. Crafted from upgraded durable ABS plastic with thickened PVC cloth, it features a zippered front door and 2 triangular zippered windows, all treated with waterproofing and double-stitched for longevity. The lightweight yet sturdy frame resists rust, warping, and breaking, ensuring durability. Enjoy a stunning 360 degrees view of your surroundings through the transparent PVC material, while the excellent heat retention keeps you warm inside. Perfect for night stargazing, the transparent roof offers an unparalleled view of the night sky, making your outdoor experience truly magical. The Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle is part of a customizable connecting tent system that revolutionizes group camping. This 6-person connectable tent can be used as a standalone shelter or zip to other compatible tents at 3 fully enclosed connection points, offering endless configuration possibilities. Additional 6-person and 3-person connectable tents are available separately. The fast-pitch tent sets up quickly with pre-attached poles, hub fast-fit feet, and snag-free Instaclips that secure the poles effortlessly. The WeatherTech system keeps campers dry with welded floors and inverted seams that prevent water seepage. Designed for durability, the strong cabin-shaped frame is factory-tested to withstand winds over 35 miles per hour, while an extended door awning and rainfly provide extra protection from the elements. Elevate your camping experience with the versatile and weather-ready Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle. The Haven Tent, the best hammock for sleeping in the wild, features an original lay-flat hammock design that ensures a great night's sleep whether you snooze on your side, back, or stomach. Rated at 285 pounds, 130 kilograms, it's perfect for campers under 80 pounds, 80 kilograms. With 6 mesh pockets for essentials and high-mounted support struts for hanging wet gear, the Haven Tent boasts the most thoughtful interior of any tent out there. Setup is a breeze. Find an area free of dead branches, wrap the super easy daisy chain straps around 2 sturdy trees at chest-to-neck height, and you're all set for a night of unparalleled comfort under the stars. The ES30W solar panel is the ultimate dual-purpose gadget for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. This innovative piece of equipment not only powers your devices with its 30W solar cells, but also transforms into a handy table thanks to its folding design. You can attach it to your backpack or camping trailer to capture energy on the go, or set it up as a sturdy table when you need a break. Coated with a PE protective film, it's resistant to acid rain, saline, alkaline water, scratches, and rust, making it perfect for any weather conditions. Whether it's sunny or rainy, the ES30W solar panel ensures you're always ready for your next adventure. The Isabella Camplet Passion Trailer Tent offers a modern alternative to traditional tents and cumbersome caravans. This slim teardrop trailer is easy to tow behind your car and unfolds into a spacious 18-square-meter camping tent that accommodates up to 6 people, making it ideal for family vacations in nature. It features a canopy for an outdoor kitchen and shading, enhancing your outdoor experience. The Camplet Passion offers customizable options to suit your personal needs, giving you the freedom to embark on any adventure without worrying about accommodations. Discover the ultimate in flexible, hassle-free camping with the Isabella Camplet Passion. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Ooni Karu, the versatile wood-fired pizza oven that brings restaurant-quality pizzas right to your backyard. Designed to reach blazing temperatures of up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit 500 degrees Celsius in no time, it cooks perfect pizzas in just 60 seconds. Made from durable stainless steel, the Ooni Karu is both lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for any outdoor space. Its flexibility with fuel options, wood pellets, kindling, or charcoal, allows you to choose your preferred cooking method. Loved by pizza enthusiasts and outdoor cooking fans for its exceptional performance, ease of use, and compact design, the Ooni Karu is your ticket to gourmet pizzas under the stars. Step into the rugged, refined world of the 12 by 12 Kodiak canvas cabin tent. A large stove-ready SR tent crafted from high-performance HydroShield 100% cotton duck canvas. This tent promises durability and comfort, featuring a zippered storage bag, hefty 12-inch steel stakes, and a design that requires 2 adults for setup. With a tall 7.5-foot peak ceiling and vertical walls, the tent offers a spacious interior where you can stand and move around with ease. Built to withstand strong winds and snow loads, its galvanized steel tubing ensures stability. The integrated stove jack allows you to use a wood-burning stove for warmth, with a zip cover for when the stove is not in use. Enhance your camping experience with the optional 8x8-foot enclosed awning sold separately, which expands your space by 44% for weather protection or extra gear storage. The Quechua Camp Bed Air from Decathlon is an inflatable bed base that redefines comfort in the great outdoors. Though it may resemble a life raft, this innovative bed base is designed to elevate your camping mattress experience. Easily linkable to another base to form a double bed, it's perfect for glampers and campers who value a good night's sleep above all else. Weighing just 3.8 kilograms and coming with a convenient storage case, it's effortlessly manageable for one person. The increased height not only makes it easier to get in and out of bed, but also keeps you elevated from the ground, protecting you from condensation, bugs, and other camping nuisances. For the ultimate in camping comfort, the Quechua Camp Bed Air is one of the best investments you can make. The Rooftop Camper, also known as a rooftop tent, RTT, is a portable shelter that mounts securely on your vehicle's roof, providing an elevated sleeping platform that protects you from the elements. Equipped with windows and mesh panels for ventilation, it ensures fresh air circulation and prevents condensation buildup. Supported by a sturdy base and mounting system, it attaches firmly to cars, SUVs, or trucks. Inside, you'll find a foam or inflatable mattress for a comfortable night's sleep. Built to withstand various weather conditions, including rain and wind, a rooftop camper transforms any outdoor adventure into a cozy and elevated experience. The Swiss Room Box's modular system makes camping in your car a breeze. The Easy Tech model transforms most vehicles with a hatch into a comfortable camping car. The base model features a versatile table for 2 to 4 people, which can convert into a single or double bed or serve as storage space. Higher trim levels include a 2-burner gas stove, shower, water heater, and more. Priced between $451.81 and $631.35, this Swiss-made innovation isn't available in the US yet, but it's perfect for European adventurers seeking a flexible and convenient camping solution. Check the online compatibility list to see if it fits your vehicle, and get ready to hit the road in style.
Der BlackCan 2 Pro ist die ultimative tragbare Powerstation und Matratze, die speziell für Wintercamper entwickelt wurde. Dieses innovative Produkt bietet bis zu 12 Stunden kontinuierliche Wärme mit seiner fortschrittlichen Technologie und jede zusätzliche Gaskartusche verlängert die Wärme um weitere 12 Stunden. Mit nur 4 Gaskartuschen bleiben Sie bis zu 2 Tage lang gemütlich warm, selbst bei Temperaturen bis zu 37. Im Gegensatz zu anderen Energiequellen sind keine Batterien oder Solarpaneele erforderlich, was es unglaublich praktisch für Camper macht. Sicherheitsmerkmale umfassen einen Auslöseknopf und andere Schutzmechanismen, während das wasserdichte und handwaschbare Design eine einfache Wartung gewährleistet.
Discover the ultimate in innovative camping with Tentsile tree tents, where the comfort of a hammock meets the versatility of a tent. These unique shelters are suspended between trees, creating a floating and elevated sleeping space that's perfect for any environment with suitable anchor points. Ideal for camping in forests, near rivers, or other challenging terrains where traditional tents fall short, Tentsile tree tents use tensioned webbing straps and sturdy materials to provide a stable, suspended living area. Enjoy a night above the ground, safely away from dampness, insects, and small animals.